Hello everybody. Thank you very much for the opportunity given to me. I want to present my research about mobile electronic ticketing. So we have a title for our research is Determinants of Continuous Use Intention of Mobile-Based Electronic Marketing. Okay, for our research introduction is still related about the use of social media and the use of smartphone today has fostered the spread of the mobile commerce market with the O2O or online to office business model, combining online and offline services. And then we think that it is necessary to emphasize the importance of creating purchase satisfaction for the consumers. And as you know, that consumer satisfaction is the overall attitude of consumers towards service providers or goods. And then this attitude is in the form of an emotional reaction to the difference between what consumers participate and what consumers receive from service providers regarding the fulfillment of consumers' needs, goals, and desires. And customer satisfaction is the result of a comparison between customer expectations and experiences when consuming or using services. Identifying the customer satisfaction is important because it can be used as a measure of business performance and future improvement. So satisfaction strongly influences users to reuse e-commerce, while perceived value is a determining factor for user satisfaction and loyalty. And this is about our research concept. We started our investigation about the electronic ticketing, and the focus of our research is about the important elements within the continuous intention in using mobile-based railway ticketing. And for our research objectives, to investigate whether satisfaction will strongly influence users to reuse e-commerce services, and the second one is to scrutinize what factors can influence the reuse of mobile applications in e-ticketing services, and the last one is to find out the importance of one's experience in the formation of continuous intention. And for our structure of our paper, so will be started from introduction until the limitations and future studies that may be conducted in the future. And this is our research framework. So we extended, we have extended the existing framework derived from Davis 1989 and Bhattacharjee 2001. So for Davis, as you know, that TAM or Technology Acceptance Model is a widely used model in IS field. And then because we think that TAM is good to be combined with the other models, so we try to extend by combining two models, TAM and ECM or Expectation Confirmation Model, to be one extended model that we have proposed. Okay, so this is our proposed model. So we will add perceived value, and then perceived risk and perceived fee. So we have a hypothesis. The first one is perceived risk will affect perceived value negatively, and the second one is perceived fee will influence perceived value positively, and then perceived usefulness will influence trust positively, Perceived usefulness will drive a positive effect on user satisfaction, and confirmation will positively affect perceivedness, usefulness, and influence user satisfaction. And then perceived value will drive a positive effect on user satisfaction, and perceived value will affect users' continuous intention significantly. And the last one is satisfaction will finally drive a significant effect on user continuous intention. So based on our data collected from our respondents, so we can analyze the data, like most of the respondents from our data are female with more than 50%, and then for the age, most of them are between 17 to 25 years old, and profession, most of them are private employee, and they have the experience to use internet more than 3 years, and the frequency of online ticketing transactions in a year, most of them are more than 3 years, and the monthly fee, or the monthly income, like a pocket money, most of them are between 1 million to 5 million rupiah. Okay, for our model analysis, that we can say that our model is valid and reliable, yeah, from the composite reliability, Cronbach alpha, and AVI value. Yeah, we can say that our models are eligible. Our models. Okay, and then this is about the result from our research. Yeah, only one from out of 9 that the hypothesis is rejected. Yeah, from privacy risk, unfortunately and statistically, didn't have a good influence to perceived value, but for the others, all of them are supported. So we can conclude from the previous analysis that satisfaction is a prominent factor in driving users in continued use, and then the result of this study may be used as consideration for operators and policymakers to figure out and properly maintain user satisfaction and intention in using their services. And of course, this study can also be used as a basis for subscribers or consumers in general before conducting online ticketing transactions by figuring out on what factors may be perceived preferentially in doing online transactions. For our research limitation and what kind of things in the future that may be conducted, the first one is the sample of respondents has a focus on electronic ticketing, and data that we have in this research were collected from Jakarta as a capital city and its surrounding regions. If the others or you will make such a data collection from other cities or from other areas, maybe the result will be different. And the sampling technique used in this study was purposive sampling due to the limitations of cross-sectional or instantaneous data collection, so that the overall results were not the result of causation, but only conditional results that influence each other. And the study used survey techniques by distributing questionnaires online without any assistance to respondents when filling out the questionnaire, so that there can be a misunderstanding or misinterpretation of the items in the questionnaire. And the study limits on the use of KAI access only, managed by the Indonesian government, though there are maybe other similar players or other similar application in electronic ticketing operated by the others, such as Traveloka, Tokopedia, Bukalapak, Shopee, etc. Okay, thank you very much. Any question?